homie trying to show me her tsunami. She make it hard to copy, always tight and never sloppy. Ain't got her entourage and her own paparazzi. Now that she going clean, right through the stormy weather.
All your past regrets for no goddamn reason. Instead my mood changed like these goddamn seasons. I fall for you, but I love you.
I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think. My name's blurry face and I care what you think.
And I say, hello Satan, I believe it's time to go. Me and the devil walking side by side.
But you already bought a ticket and there's no turning back now.
Keep your feet on the ground and move your head all around. You put your hands in the air and move with the sound. Give me an earthquake.
Hiccup is gonna kick.
Hiccup, he's no problem, really. Trust me.
He's only the son of Stoic the Vast, his heir to the throne of Burke, and the greatest dragon master this world has ever seen.
Dragon Master. I alone control the dragons.
His voice. Come on. What's the matter with you? No, come on. What are you doing? Knock it off. Stop! Stop! Son! Dad!
We were wrong.
No!
Fight! Fight! What's the matter with you?
Now do you get it? This is what it is to earn a dragon's loyalty.
Not you! Not you! Not you!
Yes,